Hello and welcome everyone to our webinar on Busy for the tours and travel industries. And today we will explore how Busy accounting software can streamline your travel business operations. From managing booking and finance to enhancing efficiency, Busy offer robust solutions tailored for our industry. Let's dive in and discover how can we leverage these powerful tools to improve our business. Feel free to ask questions in the chat. We will address them during the QA sessions. Thank you for joining us. Now let's start the session. So if you are managing your tours and travel business, so are you facing problems like to manage your ticket bookings, to manage your passenger details? Also, if you are not able to manage your data properly, then you can't take your business decision, and in that case your business growth may hamper. Don't worry, we have the most powerful solutions in our busy software for you. A challenge is that a tour and travel business face, that is recording of passenger details that may include the name, the ID, etc. And as a solution, busy software will provide you certain optional fields and description field in the transaction level to maintain the passenger details or to record the passenger details. Another challenges that appear in the tour and travel business is managing of tickets and booking. That means how to record customer inquiries about ticket and booking. If a customer raise an inquiry for any year ticket or bus ticket or train ticket, how you can record that kind of inquiry, or how you can manage to record a ticket booking. In this case, Busy will provide you a solution to record the entries of ticket and booking with all the details. That may include the passenger details, that may include the ticket number, the PNR details, and other details also. Next, challenges that may appear, that is the tracking of pending tickets and booking. So once you generate a ticket transactions or an inquiry, against an inquiry, once you book the ticket for your customer, then you, if you need to track the pending ticket or the booking details, so Busy will provide you a solution. In this case, in Busy software you can get different type of reports for tracking the pending ticket and bookings. There are several reports regarding this. We'll see practically in the software also. Other challenges like invoice. Now, if you want to raise a invoice to your customer, you need to get some configuration done in the invoice format. That means if we need to face all the details that tours and travel industries need in the invoice format, like the passenger details, the ticket number, the booking details, so that you can easily implement in your invoice format. So invoice format is configurable as per the industry need. You can configure it in Busy. So for tour and travel business, whatever information needed in the invoice, that can be done easily in designing mode in invoice format. So Busy is giving a better solution for that, because as we know that in Busy we are having invoice designing tools. Through this invoice designing tool, you can easily manage to configure your invoice format as per your need. Now let's see practically the challenges that can be overcome through Busy softwares. In Busy, let first inquiry appear at your end, or a inquiry you get from a customer, that the customer raise an inquiry that they need a year ticket or a bus ticket or a train ticket. So how you can record that inquiry? In that case, you can go to transaction ticket inquiry entry module. You can click add button over here, and then you press enter over here. You can mention the mobile number for the passenger or the customer. Let's suppose, for example, I'm mentioning the mobile number. So if that party or that customer has already has given an inquiry previously at your company, then automatically the party name, the address, the detail will appear once you put the party mobile number over here. Now if you press enter, you can get all the details, the descriptions. That means the if you have created certain informations, or you have created certain item descriptions like year ticket business class, year ticket economic class. As you can see, I have already created some sample items with the name of this: year ticket business class, year ticket economic class. And I have already mentioned the rates in the item masters once I create this as an item. So if you select this, you can get the information to put other details like passenger name. Let's say I mention my passenger name. And also I put the traveling date. I'm going to travel on, or the customer is going to travel on August 1st, August 2024. Now passenger is going to travel from Kolkata to Delhi. So quantity by default come here one. If you can mention, you can change the quantity to 2 ticket also. Now you can see, if you save this is an inquiry. So you no need to place any kind of pricing over here about the ticket. This is an inquiry, just you are recording the inquiry that has came from the customer end at your company. So once you raise the inquiry, you can forward this inquiry, or you can convert this inquiry into a ticket booking confirmation modules. Or you can say, once you get an inquiry, you forward that inquiry to the authorized concerned department. Like say, if you got an air ticket inquiry, you can place this air ticket inquiry detail to the airlines authorities. So you can press yes button over here also. From here also, the entry module can move on to the ticket order entry module, where you can select the airline authority from whom you are going to confirm, or from whom you are going to record, or you are going to generate the ticket for your prospect customer. So you can see all the detail, the passenger name, the travel date, the destination details has been appear as you have fill up this information in the inquiry. So from the inquiry module, or from or against the inquiry also, you can convert into the ticket order section, where you are placing an order to the authorized concerned department. Like say, if you are going to place an order to the Air India, against that inquiry you can select the party as Air India. Okay. Or if you are going to place an order for booking the ticket from Indian Railway, you can select Indian Railway. So right now I am placing a air ticket order to the Air India against the inquiry that I got from my customer. So you can see all the details as appear, and I can save this. So against this ticket inquiry and ticket order, you can get a related report. Like say, for example, you want to get the ticket inquiry tracking reports, from where you can track which person or which customer has raised an inquiry at your company for what ticket. It may be a air ticket, it may be a bus ticket, it may be a railway ticket. If you want to see passenger wise, you can go to this report. You select date wise, you select the format name detail that has been configured in busy. So you can configure the report as per your need also. So as we have configured in detail format name, with the name format called detail, where you can see this other all the information is coming, like date, voucher numbers, bill person name, the mobile number, the item has been defined as the ticket name, the passenger name, the travel date, from to the from destination to destinations, how much ticket has been, how much inquiry has came for how much ticket. So you can get the number of ticket detail also over here. So this inquiry has been forwarded to the authorized concerned department, which is called the, if you are going to get an inquiry of year ticket, then you can move that year ticket inquiry to the Year India Authority department, or any other authorized department. So once you confirm the ticket, or the ticket has been booked or has been confirmed from the authorized department, then you can get this report from here also. The ticket booking detail will be get from this report, where you can see the date, the billing person name, the item name, as a generate a confirmation ticket booking, where you can see the passenger name, the travel date, the destination details is also coming. Now here it's showing pending. That means this ticket has been confirmed, but you have not generated the ticket, or you have not raised an invoice against this confirmation ticket. Okay. So in that case, also you can get a report this called pending. That means pending against the inquiry. If a customer has raised an inquiry for an year ticket, and against that you have not raised a bill, because once the ticket get confirmed from the authorized department, like Air India or Indian Railway, then you are going to raise the bill against that inquiry. So this report will explore the inquiry transaction details. From this report you can get the inquiry transaction details, that if the passenger has raised an inquiry for this ticket, how many quantity of ticket has been raised as an inquiry. So you can get from this pending report also. If you go to see party wise, you can see party wise also. Here you can see the reports where you can see that this detail is showing that this is the reference number, this is the inquiry number. The inquiry has been raised for this one ticket, which is a year ticket. Okay, so you can double click over here to get the entire detail also, or you can face this detail in this report also through this custom column option. Okay, now the first step was ticket inquiry, that a customer can raise an inquiry for a year or a bus ticket. Against the inquiry, you are going to place the inquiry detail or place the inquiry information to the concerned department, the authority department like Air India or Indian Railway. So that can be recorded through this ticket order entry, and then change the ticket against the ticket confirmation. So in that case, you select if you're going to purchase the ticket from Air India, you can press F11 button to pick the ticket confirmation number. If you select this, then all the detail will reflect over here, the passenger details, the ticket. Now here you can place the ticket number, because you are going to purchase the ticket from the Air India. So you can put the ticket number, you can mention ticket number like say P1234. This is a ticket number. You can mention passenger name as, you can mention the you're going to provide a ticket or you're going to purchase ticket of year ticket, then you can mention year. You can mention year number, then you can mention over here AP123, whatever be the year number. The PNR number, you can mention the PNR number over here. You can mention the travel date. You can mention the from date. Let's say for example your destination from Kolkata to Delhi. So press OK over here, and you can get up if you're going to generate a ticket with the rate of 500, and against that you are getting a commission. So you can receive the commission from Air India, because you are collecting the ticket in the basis of a commission. You are getting 2% commission. So you are purchasing ticket in 490, and you are going to place the bill for of this ticket to the customer in the rate of 500. So 10% or 2% is your commission. So once you purchase, you can raise the invoice. Once the ticket has been confirmed, then you can raise the invoice against that inquiry. So if you go to add option, you can press F11 over here. So you can select the inquiry number. You can select the inquiry number, you can press OK. Then all the information that you have mentioned in the inquiry transaction, that will reflect in the invoice. So you can also see that the ticket number is also coming. You can select the ticket number, the date, the detail, the passenger names, all this information is also coming over here, and you can press OK to generate an invoice. Here once you are going to generate an invoice, you can mention the cash detail, the if you're going to collect the amount in cash or in card or in net banking, you can put certain amount in this box also, or you can select the mode called cash or card over here also. You can put the value over here, that will reflect in the ledger also accordingly. And once you save this, invoice will get print over here as per the industry need. You can see all the information is coming, the ticket number, ticket date, passenger details, airlines details, PNR details, all are coming here. If you want to add booking charges also in your invoice, you can use this item called book, or you can create an item with the name called booking charges. You can mention your booking charges over here. You are taking a booking charges of 100 rupees against raising an invoice to the party. So you can mention the party details over here also, and you can save it. So this detail will also get picked in your invoice. So if you see the preview of the invoice, you will get to see the booking charges over here also. It has been added with certain GST. So GST percentage is also added on this booking charges, 18% GST. So this booking charges, this year ticket, you can create as an item in Busy, and you can mention the tax category in the item master also, and you can use this as an item in the transaction. You can see that once I create this item called booking charges, I can define this booking charges amount should reflect in my, not on my sales ledger, it will reflect in my booking charges ledger, that is in my income ledger. So once you record this booking charges in sales invoice, this will reflect on your account also. You can go to see with the profit and loss account report, where you can see that this amount has been reflected in my booking charges ledger. So if you want to see account ledger, you can see in account ledger it has been reflect only the booking charges amount has been reflected in the booking charges ledger. So in this way, you can also get to see the profit and loss of your business. In case if you need to maintain your stock for the ticket, how many quantity of ticket you have purchased and how many quantity of ticket that has been sold. So in that case, you can get it from the stock status report also. From here, you can get to see the detailed stock report of all item, because all the ticket are has been defined as an item. So you can manage to have the tracking of your stock ticket wise. How much ticket you have purchased and how much ticket has been sold. What is the stock of the ticket? So you can also manage to, if you need to manage your stock for your tickets, then you can get the stock status report also. Completely manage your tours and travel business. Rather, other reports like if you need to get the GST related reports, you can get it from business display option GST report, from where you can also, if you need to file the return directly, then also you can click on this direct upload button to file the return directly in the portal. Other additional reports like, say, as I've already mentioned over here, that if you want to see the invoice register, you can get it also, where you can see the entire informations, the date, the invoice number, the customer name, the mobile number, the ticket type. If the customer has raised an inquiry for a year ticket, then and you have generated invoice against that inquiry, then you can pick this detail, or you can get this detail from this sale register report. All the information is coming, the traveling date, the ticket detail, the PNR details. Okay, so you can mention these informations over here to get the entire detail about the sales invoice. Now, if we look on the best solutions for tours and travel business, then there are other solutions also available in Busy. Like, once you generate the invoice, you can share via email, SMS, or WhatsApp also to the customers. You can also control and track the users who may be going to operate Busy software at your area or at your company. So you are going to create 2 3 users who is going to access the software and going to do the transaction, the booking entry, the invoice entries. So you can give certain control to that users. Tracking details of ticket and booking number, you can track the booking number or the ticket number. You can get the information ticket number wise also. You can get the information ticket enquiry information also. You can get ticket confirmation information also. You can get other solutions like invoice designing or configurable invoice. Whatever information you need to pick in your invoice format, the PNR detail, the ticket number, the passenger detail, you can pick it in your invoice format. There is a complete solution for advanced GST, like, say, automated GST is also available. You can directly upload your GST1 in the portal. You can get the GST and validations also from Busy directly. Monthly and quarterly reports is also available. If you need to see monthly, how much in this month, how much year ticket has been sold, how much bus ticket has been sold, that you can get from Busy also. If you go to display options, here you can get to see the analysis report. It may be a item wise monthly item, in the sense here item has been defined as a basically a ticket description. Like, I have created some uh, item names like air ticket, business class, air ticket, economic class, train ticket. So these are treated as an item, but it will not reflect on your stock. Okay, so in Busy we are having such options also, that uh, where else you are creating this as an item, but if you mention this as unit, like if you don't want to maintain any stock for this item, then you can enable this feature called don't maintain stock. So you can use as a service item also. You can use this as for other you can use this as a descriptions for the ticket name, like yard ticket or bus ticket or railway tickets or train tickets also. Multiple profitability report, like, say, for example, if you are going to if you are going to purchase ticket in 490 rupees and you are going to sell the ticket in 510 rupees, so if the what is the profit margin against a particular ticket, so that you can get from this report called profitability report, which come under MIS report, profitability report. You can get bill wise, item wise. You can also get, if you select item wise, here you can get to see the detail item wise, that against this item or this again this year ticket, what was your actual cost and in how much amount you have sold that ticket. So whether the is it in gross profit or in gross loss. Okay, so it will show the percentage mode and the ratio also. Other informations or other solutions that Busy is providing, that is auto backup. It's a very important feature, or it's a very required features also, that systems should take or software should take backup automatically. I don't need to take the backup manually. My data should backup should be taken in the backend in my local drive, and if I need to take backup in Google Drive also, then that option should also be possible from your software. So yes, in Busy we are having this feature that you can take the backup automatically in your Google Drive. Online and offline module. So in our Busy software, we are giving both online and offline software, or you can say online offline software, in the sense that if anybody says, or if you required to access Busy software in cloud also, so you can use our cloud versions, or you can say Busy online software also. So from anywhere, anytime, you can operate the Busy software and can do the transaction. The data will not be provided in your systems, or you no need to install the license in your system. You can access Busy will provide the cloud server with a proper ID and password, so that you can access the cloud server and can do the transactions. If you need to accelerate your business growth in Busy, then simplify your business operation. Along with that, it will help to save your valuable time, analyze your business with accurate data, and it will help to make better decision with confidence. So if you are using Busy software, then you can easily simplify your business operation. You can reduce your time, and you can take a better decision for your business. That's all from my side, and that was also the features that I've explained about the tours and travel business industries.